Hello everyone, and welcome to today's final training for my attraction marketing series, and this will also be the last training for 2022. Now I do plan on picking it back up in January, and we'll keep you updated on our team Facebook page after the new year with more details on when and the next series and topics we will be going over. Now, if you want to see any of the past trainings that I've done with the attraction marketing, they are available as a replay right here on the event page, as well as over on my YouTube channel. Now, just a quick review of what we've gone over so far, and that is about attraction marketing being a marketing technique where you basically share your business by providing solutions. Now, as you see, we've gone through the first steps. As I said today, we are going to be finishing up by going over reviewing and evaluating what's working and make adjustments as needed. Now, tracking and reviewing is exactly how it sounds. So today's training, as I said, is going to be short and sweet. So tracking your marketing goals and continually reviewing this process is going to ensure that you're continually moving towards where you want to take your business, towards reaching your goals. Tracking is going to literally show you where you're at, as well as show you what's working and what's not working. Knowing these two things is going to provide you the information to know what to actually focus on. Going to help you streamline your focus on the best way to not only continually grow your business, but also minimize getting overwhelmed. I know firsthand how easy it can be to feel like you need to do everything and all the ideas that you have in your head all at once, and you can easily get overwhelmed. Now, when it comes to marketing, an increase in sales may show that you are doing something right. Yeah, I will say, when you see an increase in your sales, you're obviously doing something right. But tracking your marketing techniques is going to give you a better understanding on exactly what you're doing right. So that way you know exactly what to keep doing. So for example, this past year, I've been making some major adjustments to my online marketing techniques. And I've actually stopped doing long form YouTube videos and sticking to do more short form videos. I came to realize that the long form videos were not getting the traction and engagement that my short form videos were, and it took a lot more time and money to make the long form YouTube videos versus doing my short 1, 2, 3 minute videos. So this has helped me, giving me more time to actually focus on what's working and what's going to get me the views and engagement. The upcoming year, I'm going to be continuing doing things like this, and I know right off the bat, I'm going to be focusing less on my blog, as I've come to analyze in this past year that this is not an avenue that is producing results that I used to get. A few years ago, my blog was my primary marketing tool that was getting engagement and getting people to my online store, and that's not where it's at right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to focus more on my TikTok and my Instagram page and in-person marketing, because this is where I'm currently receiving more engagement and results. Now, I'm not sitting here saying that you will never be able to do the marketing techniques or have to completely stop doing a marketing technique that you want to do or that you actually enjoy doing. Like for me, I enjoy my blog. I love my blog because it provides a way for me to be able to do writing. I love writing. Ever since I was a little girl, I was always into writing, and I mean, you can ask my mom. I think she even has some of my old short stories that I made. Writing I just love it. So this upcoming year, I'm actually going to be scaling back my blog. What actually helped me come to this decision was I recently listened to a podcast where they talked about focusing on tasks and activities that are actually producing results for you that you in the season that you're in of your business. And they explained that things actually end up tending to work out in the end, and down the line you will probably find opportunities or ways to implement X, Y, or Z into your business more so, or the things that you really want to implement into your business. But especially when you're trying to focus on growing your business, it's important to focus on the tasks and the activities that are actually producing the growing results. So here are some ways that you can actually track your marketing strategies. I personally have broken down my year by month. So basically each month I will focus on particular topics that go along with that season or upcoming holidays. So for example, last month in November, I did more content and marketing based on holiday shopping and sharing products that my customers I know will enjoy, either to use like getting ready for holiday parties, or getting I did a makeup tutorial on how to do your makeup that will last while you're cooking Thanksgiving dinner. And I'll share gift ideas and things that I know my customers will want to know more about. Now in January, I'm going to be completely changing my focus, and I'm going to be focusing on the skincare in the winter and how to create the perfect skincare routine for dry skin. And so what I tend to do is I create what they call in marketing campaigns. So by me breaking down like each month, focusing on a specific topic or area within my already determined niche is what they call it. Like I've said numerous times in the series, I primarily focus on makeup and skincare. So I try to find content and marketing information that's going to be based around makeup and skincare. And what I do is each month, at the end of each month, I will look at all of the things I've done with my tracking tools that I have, which as you see, they are listed here. And I'm going to actually look to see what worked and what didn't work. And what videos did I do that my customers engaged in more? What emails did I send out where customers not only opened them more so, but actually clicked on the links I had in my emails to my website? What blog topics will I focus on more so? Looking at this information is not only going to help me know what to focus on in upcoming month, but also help me focus next year. When I'll look back and I'll be able to see, all right, what topics during this time of year were my customers most interested in. With it becoming the end of the year, typically these next few weeks, I will be doing my annual review and going over my business goals and marketing goals to see where I'm at, what changes I need to make. Now, I actually go into more detail about how I do this process in my business manual YouTube video, which I will share here on our event page after this live, if you're watching here on the event page, or if you are on my YouTube channel watching this, I will have it linked in the description box below. And what I'll do is continue to do my monthly review and tracking and checking to see what adjustments I need to make. So that is what I do, and this is how you're going to know how to make adjustments not only annually but throughout the year. It's constantly important to continually check in with your business. Even if doing it monthly is too much for you, doing it quarterly is perfectly fine as well. I know a lot of major businesses, that's what they do. They'll do quarterly check-ins. What you want to make sure you do with this whole attraction marketing series is what I really wanted to emphasize with you guys is you want to make marketing your business fun. I enjoy being creative and helping others. So that is how what I do to implement into my marketing. I find ways where I'm able to use my creativity and in finding ways in helping others with their makeup and their skincare. So how can you implement what you enjoy into your marketing techniques? As I've said continuously throughout this series, excitement is contagious. And you're going to have your targeted audience find you the more you show your excitement and the more you show that you're having fun and enjoying the process. So that is it for today and for the series. Thank you so much for joining me. As I said earlier, this is going to be the last one for 2022. If you are watching this on YouTube, do make sure to subscribe so that you'll be notified when I upload more training videos next year. As for my team, make sure to check our team page on Facebook for updates. I'm planning right now at starting up again mid-January, just but it's not locked down yet. But until then, I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season and a great new year. Bye.